5-2 is still a good position to be in. Still have a chance even at number 1, no? Kung kunyari San Miguel manalo. So, kulang pa. No? Pwede namang tanggapin namin yun. I think we need to siguro go back and review what we need to improve on. Sinasabi ko nga sa mga bata kanina na ang importante kasi you can have one bad game or two bad games. Importante is you don't lose your respect for yourself, and the public does not lose their respect dun sa laro mo. Yung sa San Miguel loss namin, even if we lost yung game na yun, maganda pa rin yung feeling mo eh. Pero you lose by 20 plus points in this manner, I think yun yung yun yung pwedeng mag-dampen ng spirit mo or baba ng moral mo. So I think we just need to be careful how to treat yung loss na to. Kailangan siguro we find ways to keep our momentum going and look for something positive which we can take out of this loss. Ano pa naman 5-2 is still a good position to be in. Then we play NLEX on Tuesday. Maglalaban pa rin naman yung San Miguel at saka yung Ginebra. So we still have a chance even at number 1, no? Kung kunyari San Miguel manalo, kasi masyado malaki yung lamang kung magiging quotient yung labanan, lamang na yung Ginebra sa amin. But 1 point lang talo namin sa San Miguel, so I think there's still ways. Of course, we're trying to get the best finish that we can. Pero importante makarating ka sa next round. Yung 6 wins will get you there. Safe ka na. So ngayon, yun pa rin ang objective namin. Kung hindi namin nakuha yung 6 wins ngayon, kaya sa Tuesday, makuha namin. We'll keep trying to get to the 6 wins. Assure ourselves of getting to the next round. Then kung ano man yung pagkukulang namin, let's say dito sa laro na to, we will watch the video. And actually, ang makikita naman sa stats, pumutok lang yung 3-point shooting nila ng third quarter. I think yun yung key development dito sa laro na to. For a while, as good as Brownlee played, as good as Japet played, we were hanging in there. Nakabuntot pa kami sa ganda ng nilalaro ng dalawa. Kaya lang, nung pumasok yung 3-point shots nila Holt, nila RJ, medyo mahirap ng sumabay dahil nga marami ng threat na kailangan mong gawa ng remedyo. Pero again, gusto mong makarating ng playoffs, gusto mong champion, you have to know how to solve those problems. So we'll look for ways to solve those problems.